Welcome to how to fold a paper snowflake. To begin, you will need your 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. You're going to fold one of the corners down so that it forms a right triangle with the other edge of your paper. Make sure that the corner is aligned and then crease along the line that you have formed. Make sure that crease is nice and tight, as that will be the surface you are working with. You can either draw a line or cut freehand along the excess. This line does not have to be perfect, as we will be cutting it off when we actually make a snowflake. Next, we're going to bring the two corners that we have together and put a crease down the middle of the triangle. Then unfold it, and we are going to mark 3 inches down along both of the edges from the corner. If you are a beginner to this will help you figure out approximately where you want to go for the following step. Once you get good at this, you can leave this step out. So then you're going to fold one of the arms up to the little line that you just made. Make sure that that point forms right in the crease that you made earlier. And do the same with the other one. Make sure the corner is tight at the bottom and that your wings should look pretty even. I fold it one more time. This helps with the symmetry later on in the cutting process. Make sure that the point at the bottom is very tight. This normally takes a little bit of finagling due to the number of sheets of paper that you're working with at this point. And there you have your folded snowflake ready to go.